Good day, I'm April Jayapalya, BS in Business Administration student, and here's my PowerPoint presentation about benefits and issues of global finance with e-banking. E-banking has become an important factor in the future development of banking industry. Electronic banking or online banking is a service provided by many banks that allow handling of all types of banking business, primarily over the internet by using the information technology and communication. In many developed countries, e-banking plays a very vital role due to the fact that it's the cheapest way of providing banking services. Besides this, it also facilitated swift movement of funds domestically and across borders. E-banking is one of the most successful online businesses which save the time and money of customers and companies. It is easily accessible anywhere to a PC, PDA, or mobile device with an internet connection. It also enables the customer to conduct financial transactions on the website of the institution such as virtual bank, retail bank, a credit union, etc. Despite of many benefits of e-banking, there are some factors which affect its usage. So this study will introduce you the benefits and issues of global finance with e-banking. Research methodology. The primary source of the information in this research study is the secondary data. The available information on internet regarding the global finance with e-banking has been extensively used to complete this paper. Besides this, the study also completed by making the use of various sources related to the subject of study like research articles, scientific journals, websites, and some e-banking books. Objectives of the study: to know the definition of global finance, to know the definition of electronic banking, to know the benefits of global finance with e-banking, to know the issues of global finance with e-banking, and to make suggestions on the basis of findings. So first, global finance. This is the study of monetary transactions that transpire between two or more countries. It focuses on areas such as foreign direct investment and currency exchange rates. While electronic banking or e-banking is a form of banking in which funds are transferred through an exchange of electronic signals rather than through an exchange of cash, checks, or other types of paper documents. It also known as electronic fund transfer or EFT. It refers to the transfer of funds from one account to another through electronic methods. So the benefits of global finance with e-banking. The benefits discussed are from the bank's customer point of view. By the use of e-banking services, a customer can save its significant time and money. These kinds of services also bring efficiency in customer relationship management. So the first benefits is services. Technology has made it extremely convenient for the bank and for the customer to access easily by simply logging in on the bank's website. Key services include vast services such as financial planning capabilities, functional budgeting and forecasting tools, loan calculators, investment analysis tools, and equity trading platforms. Besides this, most banks also provide the facility of online tax forms and tax preparation. So next is convenience. This is the single most important benefits that outweigh any shortcoming of internet banking. Making transactions and payments right from the comfort of home or office at the click of a button without even having to step out is a facility none would like to forgo. Keeping a track of accounts through the internet is much faster and convenient as compared to going to the bank for the same. Even non-transactional facilities like ordering checkbooks online, updating accounts, inquiring about interest rates of various financial products, etc. is much simpler by it. Another benefit is the better rates. This means that a portion of savings accrued by the bank can be passed on to the customers by paying them higher rates on deposits and charging lower rates on loans. To encourage e-banking among customers, most banks offer minimum or no deposit accounts and also charges lower penalties on early withdrawal of fixed deposits. This type of banking implies lesser physical efforts and higher benefits. The need to acquire larger spaces for offices and employing more staff to deal with the customers is significantly reduced, making it financially beneficial to the banks. Mobility. E-banking has a step further in the last few years in the form of mobile internet banking, which accords unlimited mobility to the customer who can now handle financial transactions even while on the move. And next is increased comfort and time saving. E-banking transactions can be made 24/7 without requiring the physical interaction with the bank. Quick and continuous access to information. Corporations will have easier access to information as they can check on multiple accounts at the click of a button. So, ganun kabilis. Then, better cash management. E-banking facilities speed up cash cycles and increases efficiency of business processes as large variety of cash management instruments as available in internet sites of well-known banks, like for example RCBC, BDO, or some well-known banks. So next is speed. The response of this medium of transaction is very fast. Therefore, customers can actually wait till the last minute before transferring the funds. So lastly is the funds management. Customers can download their transactions history of different accounts and do a what-if analysis on their own before affecting any transaction on the web. This leads to better funds management. So, beside the benefits discussed, e-banking also helps to view and print balance inquiry, view transaction history, transfer of funds, payment online utility bills, online purchases, like for example, sa Shopee or Lazada or other online shopping app, with the use of e-banking. Customer can also apply for various types of auto, mortgage, home, equity, student, and personal loans. So now we're going to discuss the issues of global finance with e-banking. So beside providing enormous benefits to its customers in terms of ease of cost transactions, e-banking also possesses certain issues in regulating, supervising, designing, and implementing the microeconomic policies by creating problems for banks' management, regulatory, and supervisory authorities. They originate not only for potential or cross-border transaction, but also for domestic transactions which are based upon technology application, which causes many security-related issues. So first issue is the relationships. Online transactions take a toll on the relationship with the banker, which the traditional visit to the branch office used to foster. Personal relationship with the staff at the banks helps a customer when requesting for faster loan approval or any special service which may not be available easily to the public. Additionally, by personal contact, a banker would provide essential financial advices which are beneficial to the customer. Next is complex transactions. Certain services such as notarization and bank signature cannot be accomplished online. Solving specific issues and complaints requires physical visit to the bank and cannot be achieved through the internet. So, kailangan pa rin talaga ng physical visit. So, next is security. This is the biggest pitfall of the internet banking scheme, which needs to be guarded against by the common customer. Despite the host of sophisticated encryption software is designed to protect your account, there's always a scope of hacking by smart elements in the cyber world. So, hacker attacks, especially sa Facebook. So, maraming na-hack. Phishing. So, there are many kinds of scam. So, phishing is one. And this is through an email. So, ang iba pa dun is smishing through a text message naman. And phishing is through voice call. And another is malware, and other unauthorized activities are common on the internet. So like for example, PayPal. An email from PayPal arrives telling the victim that their account has been compromised and will be deactivated unless they confirm their credit card details. So PayPal kasi is the most common online app na ginagamit ng ang mga foreign countries or kahit dito sa Pinas. So, magbibigay sila ng link which is fake PayPal website at kapag nilagay mo dun yung personal infos mo, they will use it to commit further crimes. So, same with GCash, which is yung nauuso ngayon. Papadala sila ng text message, kukunin yung GCash number mo, OTPs, MPINs, or birthday. So, by that is maaari na nilang ma-hack or ma-scam ka. So, next is the ability to adapt global technology to local requirements. An adequate level of infrastructure and human capacity building are required before developing countries can adapt the global technology for their local requirements. And the ability to strengthen public support for e-finance. Historically, most e-finance initiatives in developing countries have been the result of cooperative efforts between the private and public sectors. So those are the benefits and issues of global finance with e-banking. So for the conclusion, the present study concludes that e-banking has fundamentally changed the business of banking by providing immense opportunities to its customers. It is a borderless entity permitting anytime, anywhere, and anyhow banking to its customers. On the other hand, it also aggravates the use of traditional banking risks. In the present scenario, majority of the customers are accepting online banking transactions because of its many favorable factors. There is a significant relationship between e-banking and customer satisfaction. The customers are committed to using the service as well as bank is able to retain the major interest of its users. Beside the enormous benefits, e-banking is a difficult business and face a lot of challenges like usefulness, security, and privacy. Many customers think that it is not easy to use online banking system as people want their money to be safe and secure. To overcome with the issues, the banks should provide more facilities and convenience to the customers by taking all steps and measures to make online transactions safer and secure for the customers. So that's all. Thank you.